Hey there, Rizza here again and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about making an eco-brick. As much as we wanted to do away with plastic, our zero waste journey will never be perfect. Minsan talaga meron tayong mga times na kahit hindi natin sinasadya makaka-consume tayo ng plastic. So what do we do about this? One idea is to start making an eco-brick. An eco-brick is a plastic bottle stuffed in clean and dry, non-biodegradable materials or yung mga hindi nabubulok na basura. It's used as a hollow block for furnitures, schools, and any other establishments. I initially saw this idea from a friend and I realized bakit hindi natin gawin sa school, sa office, or sa bahay. So let's jump right into the video, shall we? So here are the things you need. A plastic bottle, clean and dry plastic wraps, cellophane, styrofoam or mga courier packaging, scissors, and stick. Once makuha nyo na yung mga naipon yung plastic, cut it into small pieces para mas marami kayong malagay sa loob ng bote. Remember na bawal maglagay ng metal, glass, or yung mga nabubulok. Once done, it's time to stuff the plastic into the bottle. Use the stick to push the plastic densely. After you fill your eco-brick, weigh it to know if it meets the Plastic Solutions Ecobrick donation guidelines. You also have to label it as follows. Once done, you can give it to the nearest drop-off point in your area. If you're near Las Piñas, my business baby Lecat Coffee Shop is a drop-off point too. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments down below if you have questions. Thanks again for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!